Hello my people, how na dey today? For this video I go show na how na go take use okra, Íru and Ugba cook better Nigerian soup. So we go need crayfish, we go need our nut seasoning, we go need our cow skin, we go need Íru, na the Íru be this, we go need our smoked fish, na the Ugba be this, we go need pepper, yes, we go need meat now, and we go need our vegetable, na ugu I dey use, and salt. So as we all know, Ugba and Íru na traditional Nigerian condiments. These two condiments, they are both fermented and they are both um, probiotic food. Ugba and Íru carry plenty health benefits, so I go advise you anytime when you want cook your food, make sure say you use one or both of them cook your soup. Their health benefit be say for Ugba matter, Ugba get probiotic potentials, okay, and they help improve your immune system. Ugba dey improve your brain function because of the thiamine wey dey inside. Ugba contain plenty vitamins like vitamin B1, vitamin B2 and vitamin B3. These three vitamins dey help improve your skin health, your brain function and your cellular function. And for Íru aspect, Íru get high fiber, and this fiber dey help you take care of constipation and digestion. Abeg, make sure say you use these two for your meal, you go see plenty changes for your body. Íru na also probiotic food. E contain some bacteria wey be say e go help your immune system dey function well. Íru get minerals like calcium and iron. Make sure say you use am for your soup, for your sauce for your rice anyhow wey you wan use Íru, e dey work well. So as you can see, I don put my okra, I don put Íru. Now I don pour the stock from the meat so that I go fit loosen the soup make e no too thick. Here I don dey add my proteins. As you see for the video, I use cow skin, the one wey we dey call pomo. I use catfish, dried one. I use cow meat, the one wey oyibo dey call beef. Here I don dey add the Ugba. When you add am finish, you go come stir am, make everything mix well. You see this soup, abeg, this week no cook any other soup until you cook this very soup. Your family go thank you. Anybody wey you give this soup, I tell you, they go pray long life prayer for you. So you go try stir am well. When you stir am, here I don test am, I see say everything wey I use cook the meat come out well. The salt the pepper and the seasoning, everything come out well. Here I can't add my crayfish. Then make you come stir am well. After you don add your crayfish, make sure you stir everything well so that everything go fit enter wella. Our soup done like this, so e done. This soup I ate over and over. Same thing with my mother. Here I can't add the ugu. You fit use any vegetable of your choice. You fit use uziza, you fit use ugu, any one wey enter your body, just use am. The koko be say make you use Ugba and Íru cook the soup. Abeg, if you have never tried any of these two in your meal, begin use am from today. I know wetin I dey tell you. These two the health benefits wey dey inside them no be here. In fact, if you don try am, you will not want to stop using these two in making your meal. You fit use am cook any soup of your choice. You fit add am for your egusi soup, you fit add am for your okra soup, just like this one be. Check this soup now, see the face of this soup. Ngwanu, see am. Abeg, help me like this video, help me comment, most importantly help me share am. God bless you.